In this tutorial, we're going to look at where to generate story ideas. Story ideas are where we're going to start. We're going to develop an angle on these, but where do we come up with interesting topics to actually make into segments? First place is pretty known. They're going to be in the notes, the weekly notes. There's a bunch of links right here. The daily bulletin, always a good start to see if there's something going on in the school. Bunch of information and where to find people to contact. Another thing is, if you're looking at local events, Northampton.live is going to have a whole bunch of different things here. For instance, if we go to arts and entertainment, we can see that there's upcoming events right here. Another really good place is the Daily Hampshire Gazette and Mass Live. These sites are going to be, they're going to give us some information on local events and stuff that are here. So those are the three places, but make sure that you have a story idea prepped, and we're going to go into the actual things that you need for developing a pitch in the next video.